A wild animal is an animal that lives in a natural state, without human interference or domestication. Wild animals can be found in many different environments, including forests, deserts, grasslands, and wetlands. They are adapted to living and thriving in their natural habitats, and they play important roles in their ecosystems. Some examples of wild animals include lions, elephants, gorillas, polar bears, panda bears, wolves, cheetahs, jaguars, and kangaroos. Wild animals are often hunted for their meat, fur, or other body parts, and many species are endangered due to habitat loss and other human activities. First, let's talk about lions. Lions are the largest cats in the world, and they live in groups called prides. The male lions have a mane of long, thick hair around their head and neck, which makes them look even bigger and more impressive. Female lions are the main hunters in the pride, while the male lions protect the group. Lions are found in Africa, but they used to live in many other parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. Next, let's talk about elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world, and they are known for their long trunk and big ears. They use their trunk to pick up food, drink water, and even communicate with other elephants. Elephants are very intelligent animals, and they have strong social bonds. They live in groups called herds, led by the oldest and most experienced female. Elephants are found in Africa and Asia. Now, let's talk about gorillas. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world, and they are closely related to humans. They have long, powerful arms and a chest that is twice as wide as their waist. Gorillas are vegetarians, and they mostly eat fruit, leaves, and stems. They live in groups called troops, led by a dominant male who protects and cares for the other members. Gorillas are found in the rainforests of Central and Western Africa. Next, let's talk about polar bears. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world, and they live in the Arctic, where it is very cold. They have a thick layer of fat and a coat of white fur to help them survive in the freezing temperatures. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, and they hunt seals and other marine animals. They are endangered due to climate change and other human activities. Now, let's talk about panda bears. Panda bears are native to China, and they are known for their distinctive black and white fur. They are also vegetarians, and they mostly eat bamboo. Panda bears are endangered due to habitat loss and other human activities. Next, let's talk about wolves. Wolves are carnivorous animals, and they live in packs, led by a dominant pair of males and females. Wolves are known for their powerful howls, which they use to communicate with each other and defend their territory. They are found in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Now, let's talk about cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world, and they can run up to speeds of 70 miles per hour. They have long legs and a slender body, which helps them move quickly and efficiently. Cheetahs are carnivorous animals, and they hunt small mammals, such as gazelles and rabbits. They are found in Africa and parts of Asia. Next, let's talk about jaguars. Jaguars are the largest cats in the Americas, and they are known for their powerful jaws and muscular body. They are carnivorous animals, and they hunt a variety of prey, including deer, pigs, and even crocodiles. Jaguars are found in the rainforests and grasslands of South and Central America. Finally, let's talk about kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they carry their young in a pouch. They are native to Australia, and they are known for their powerful hind legs, which they use to hop and jump long distances. Kangaroos are herbivorous animals, and they mostly eat grass and other plants. So these are some amazing wild animals that you can learn about. Here are 10 questions for you to think about. 1. What are the largest cats in the world and where do they live? 2. What are the main parts of an elephant's body and where are elephants found? 3. What do gorillas mostly eat and where do they live? 4. What do polar bears hunt and why are they endangered? 5. What do panda bears eat and where are they native to? 6. What do wolves use their howls for and where are they found? 7. What is the fastest land animal in the world and where are they found? 8. What do jaguars hunt and where are they found? 9. What do kangaroos eat and where are they native to? 10. What are marsupials and give one example of a marsupial?
Are you ready to learn about one of the coolest insects on the planet? Today, we're talking about the Hercules beetle. The Hercules beetle is named after the Greek hero Hercules because it is one of the strongest insects in the world. It's native to Central and South America, and it can be found in rainforests, where it lives in the trees. One of the most impressive things about the Hercules beetle is its size. These insects can grow up to 7 inches long, making them one of the largest beetles in the world. They have a shiny, hard exoskeleton that protects their body and helps them move around in the forest. But the Hercules beetle's strength isn't just in its size. It has special horns on its head and thorax, which it uses to defend itself against predators and to fight other males for territory and mates. The males have larger horns than the females, and they can use them to lift objects that are up to 850 times their own body weight. That's like a person lifting a car. The Hercules beetle has a very interesting life cycle. When it's born, it starts out as a small larva, or grub, that lives underground. It spends about a year underground, eating and growing until it's ready to become an adult. When it's ready to turn into an adult, the larva spins a cocoon around itself and transforms into a pupa. Inside the pupa, the beetle's body changes and grows until it becomes an adult. When the adult beetle is ready to emerge from the pupa, it breaks out of the cocoon and climbs up to the surface. The adult Hercules beetle only lives for a few months, but it spends most of its time searching for food and mates. These beetles eat leaves, fruit, and tree sap, and they are important pollinators in the rainforest. So the next time you see a Hercules beetle, take a moment to appreciate its strength and beauty.
As the herds graze on grass, giraffes look to the trees. The acacias are flush with fresh leaves, protected by long thorns. They're little use against a half-meter-long tongue. A palm-sized sugar glider finds all the food and shelter she needs amongst the gum trees. Right now, life is pretty straightforward. Cruising between gum trees in search of the next sweet stop. In just one leap, she can glide the length of 2 tennis courts. A thorny devil, only the length of a pencil, has a very impressive way of staying hydrated. It's no quick fix, but it's worth the wait. When it finally finds standing water, it just stands in it. tiny gaps between its spines draw water upwards, all the way to its mouth. An extraordinary trick that allows this little devil to endure soaring temperatures.